Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this wall tapestry. It is great for bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, office rooms. It has a tree of life. It's black and white. It has the mandala sun, moon. It has stars on it. In the space you can see the fine details of this nice little tapestry. It is offered in 2 different sizes. Alright, so right here we have our wall tapestry. It is made out of polyester. This one here is in the black and white color. They do offer it in 2 different sizes. You get a 59.1 inch by 51.2 inch, or you have the other one which is 81.7 inch by 59.1 inch. So this is what it looks like. I have it hanging up on my wall. It's got the moon, the stars. It is a hermetic design. It's beautiful, it's durable. The core of the tapestry is the tree of life. It's surrounded by the holy mandala. The whole background is a secret starry sky. The corners are decorated with moon and sun. It can be hanged in a bedroom, living room, wherever you want to hang it. It's also suitable for offices. If you want to have a room for your yoga, it's more like a zing. You can even use this as a sofa cover or a curtain. It has got premium quality polyester. The tapestry is aesthetic. It's made of high quality polyester, soft and easy to clean. It has got an HD printing technology which makes the pattern really nice and clear. It's not blurry. It's made of very good quality. You can see how nice and clear of the pattern is. It can be machine washed and hand washed with cold water, but it cannot be used with bleach. If you want to iron it, it is suggested to using very low temperatures to iron this. You can see the moon, the stars. You can see the sun, how really great the details are of this. You can see the equator, some more stars, moon right here. You've got the tree. It is a really nice design. I think it is super nice. The quality of it, the printing is really nice. If you're looking for a nice Zen tapestry, I would definitely say check this one out.